the career numbers at this ballpark. Let me see. We can hit and run more. Let's just shave our heads.
Chris Johnson to second. Angel Sanchez to first. Double play. 5-4-3.
In the long run, it turned out to be more wins, and that's what it's all about.
Pedro Feliz, who's done so well with the Cardinals, strikes out this time. You've seen.
Yeah,
he gets a swing and a miss.
And it's a performance like this that makes the manager the other.
Are they giving a player for him?
I'm not sure.
Strikeout. Number 3. And a swing and a miss for Happ. What a ball game for Jay Happ. That's his 4th strikeout. He's retired 15 in a row, and he leads it 1-0. Astros have pitched 6 shutouts this year. Happ was involved in one of those. He went 6 innings. Fly ball, right field line. Hunter Pence digging over, and he's there. And he puts it away. And Jay Happ has shut out the St. Louis Cardinals on 2 singles. What a night for Jay Happ as he wins number 5 of the year. And he goes to 4-0 lifetime at Minute Maid Park with a very low ERA.
Wow, unbelievable. 2 hours and 1 minute of outstanding baseball from Jay Happ.